Hi, I'm Mark David from Electronic Design, and today I'm with Mike Holt from XiD, who's going to tell us about the latest in face recognition and 3D face recognition technology. Hey Mike, how are you today?
Hi Mark.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Well, we're XiD and we focus on faces. Our business is the 6 billion faces in the world. Our core technology is a technology called facial synthesis. This is very interesting. What it does is it allows us to take a two-dimensional image, any two-dimensional image, JPEG, whatever, and overlay it and morph a three-dimensional facial model. And the result is you have a three-dimensional face that you can manipulate. You can rotate, you can add lighting conditions, you can manipulate. This opens up just a tremendous number of opportunities and applications. We focus on several products, several product areas. First, security. Windows logon. Imagine just looking at your PC and it logs you in if you're the right person. Uses the existing image sensors that are already in PCs and phones, so it doesn't add the cost of another sensor like fingerprint. Certainly security like access, getting into buildings, door access, getting through passport control. These are all classic security applications. But with that, as soon as you can manipulate a face, detect and manipulate a face, the media personalization opportunities are huge. And that's where we leverage too. So we first focused on the facial recognition market. And facial recognition is, well, it's an application that's been around a long time, but it's also one where there's a lot of skepticism. And the reason is it hasn't worked. The error rates in facial recognition systems are about 40%. It's like flipping a coin. You know, how do you know whether you recognize a person? It's almost like random. And the reason isn't what people have been addressing. People have tried to do better feature extraction. But that's not the problem. That's a wrong problem. XiD has focused on a very different approach. And that is, it's not the feature extraction algorithm that's the issue. It's simply that existing systems are comparing too few images. They take one image that you're enrolled with, and it compares it to you when you show up. And that one-to-one match is horrible because your face changes day to day. You may be in a different position. The lighting conditions may be different. You may be wearing glasses or have grown a beard. Any of that will cause facial recognition systems to fail. So XiD has taken the approach of using its facial synthesis to generate many instantiations of your face. So in the database, you'll have 100, 1,000 different vectors representing your face in all the different positions and lighting conditions. So when you show up, you get a great match. And the error rate asymptotically approaches zero. So you have a very reliable facial recognition system. We're the first and only company in the world that has deployed facial recognition outdoors. And that's a very tough problem because of all the changes in conditions. And this technology enables that. So it's a great market with a lot of very interesting applications in security.
So how do you do the 3D overlay technology then?
So about the technology, what we do is we take a two-dimensional image. Think of it like Word, where you've got a template and you've got your content. For us, the content is the JPEG image. And the template is this generic, morphable, three-dimensional model of the human face. It has muscles, we can change it, and the two of those get overlaid, and now you have a three-dimensional image of your face, just like the content of your letter gets overlaid onto the template of your document to create the final result. So with this three-dimensional image, we can rotate it, we can add lighting conditions, we can create all these different facial positions, which leads to the security improvements. Well, we can make it laugh, we can make it talk, we can manipulate it, which leads to all these great media applications. So it's this core engine of facial synthesis that enables these applications. What we've also done is for real-time face replacement, like the DVD applications. We're taking our XiD software and we're building that into image recognition chips. So there are 1 billion image recognition chips in the world, taking that and now being able to do this in hardware. So it truly is real-time on the fly and standalone without a PC. And that's the next step, is building a chip base that then leverages off this capability.
Well, there's some really great new applications for face recognition. Can't wait to see myself out there as an avatar in 3 dimensions. Thanks for telling us about it, Mike. Good luck with it. Great stuff.
Thank you, Mark.